Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting because we are trying out Profusion Cosmetics. Yes, I have not tried this brand before and I have a little stash of makeup that I intend to test out or try out one day, kind of just piled up over here. Over time, I have gathered up quite a few Profusion Cosmetics items and I would like to try them out in today's video. If you're unfamiliar with Profusion Cosmetics, it is a drugstore makeup brand. It's very affordable. I know you can get it at Walmart. I'm not sure where else you can get it, but I've seen like a whole display at Walmart. They have all of the different eyeshadow palettes, like lots of bright, vibrant colors. They have all of the gemstone palettes. They have rainbow palettes. They have a plethora of eyeshadow to choose from, and they are all very, very affordable to try out. So of course, when I see palettes that range from like $5 to $12 for like 20 pan eyeshadow palettes, I'm a little skeptical. And we're gonna test it out today. We're gonna put it to the test. Today we are going to make a emerald eye look. And to top it off, gemstones. I know, emerald gemstones. Who is she? I also got a couple of face items to try out, as well as a lip item. In today's video, whatever I don't have from Profusion Cosmetics, I'm going to be dipping into my Shop My Stash bag. Of course, I will leave that video linked down below if you'd like to check it out and see what's in my July bag this month. But without further rambling, let's just get into this video. Okay, the drill is going to be the same as in all of my other videos. I'm going to do my eyes first because I don't know how these shadows perform, and I'm also going to prime one eye and I'm going to leave the other one bare so that we can see how they truly work compared to primed versus not primed. If you're not new here though, you already knew all of that. I'm really excited to try this brand. My friend Carrington kind of put me onto this brand because she did a whole like Profusion Cosmetics haul a few months back. All of the shades look so vibrant, so pigmented and beautiful, and so I wanted to try them out. And also, like I mentioned, they are so affordable, so I just kind of wanted to dip my hands into it. This is the Emeralds palette. This is what we're going to be working with today. Emerald is my birthstone, and also Carrington said that this is like the best palette in her humble opinion. She said this one is her favorite, so we are going to be testing out the Emerald eyeshadow palette today. I love these shades. First, we're going to go in with Fern. This eye is primed. Wow, that's pretty. It's a really nice grass color. Is that a good word to describe that? This eye is not primed. Ooh, there is a drastic difference in that one. Let me see if I can build up the color a little bit here. Okay, it's not so bad actually. I just have a big fluffy brush and I'm going in with windshield wiper motions here. Okay, Jaclyn Hill, let's stop with that, okay? Let's just stop. I'm going in back and forth motions here. And I have an idea, like a little pattern as to how I want to do the gemstones. So I'm trying to keep it in a nice shape. Okay, this Fern shade is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. It's like a beautiful grass stain color. I love it. Next, I'm going in with a more army green shade called Juniper. And I'm going just in my crease area here to darken it up. The primed eye just picks it up so well. That didn't take me any time at all to lay that army green color down. This eye that's not primed does take a little bit of time, but it's not bad at all, honestly. The colors are still very similar. So beautiful. Thank you, Carrington, for recommending this palette to me because I love it. Love it. Wow. I'd like to swatch some of these shimmer shades. I'm not sure what I want to go on with my lid here. So at first, let's just swatch Harlequin because I love this shade. Okay. Harlequin. Okay. The shade is called Monumental. For drugstore eyeshadows, okay, cool. This shade is called Galaxy. Wow. It's a purple green color. Do you see that? That's really pretty. The last shimmer shade I want to try out is called Radioactive. It's a nice golden shimmer shade. Wow. These swatch beautifully for being like $12 for this whole palette. It's amazing. I'm going to use glitter primer on one eye and just leave the other one bare. I want to see how they apply with and without. Using my finger, I'm going in with Monumental. Wow. That's beautiful. And because I use the glitter primer, I literally just have to tap it in and it's just sticking straight to the base. Wow. Let's try without glitter primer. Still very pretty. Applies basically the same. So between primed and non-primed, I would say this palette performs the same. There's really not a lot of difference in it. Before I finish up the eyes and use the gemstones and everything, I'm just going to do my face makeup really quickly. The next item I have to use is the Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. This caught my attention. It's very slim. Look at that. It's very interesting. I have the shade Light Cool Pink, and this will be a good test because I am breaking out terribly right now. Terribly. This has hyaluronic acid, medium to full coverage, natural satin finish, and SPF 15. I'm taking the Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. That's kind of a long name. Okay. I don't know how much to go in with, so I just started off like that. I don't know. I don't even know if this is going to be a good skin match. Oh, hold on. Whoa. Wait a minute. That's a beautiful skin match. In my mirror, anyway. Sometimes things get a little washed out with all the lights, so you'll have to let me know down below in the comments what you think about that. But my face feels a little heavy. I'm going to spray some setting mist on my skin just to give it some more moisture. It's feeling heavy. The foundation did a good job of covering things, but my skin looks heavy. It looks cakey. And that could have been the concealer that I went in with beforehand, but it does look like it's settling into my big pores, my fine lines. I really like the idea of that foundation though, so I'll probably try it out with different concealers, different primers. That's the word I'm looking for, primers. The foundation was only like $4 or $5, I think. I could be really flubbing up all of these prices, but I don't remember it being very expensive at all. So I'm going to give it a different shot with different primers that I have, but I like the idea of it. To finish up the face so that we can move on and finish the eyes, I have a beautiful pink highlighter called Sweet Whip. It's so pretty. It's very moussey. Looks like that. Very wet looking. Love it. That's right up my alley. Whoa. This is a highlighter, right? Mousse highlighter. Ooh, that's chunky. She chunky. Whoa. This is like a rave highlighter. It's okay. We can tame her. Don't worry. Okay. To do that, take your beauty blender, buff it out. Hopefully we can get this to kind of calm down a little bit. Whew. Once you place her, she's on. She's on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know how I feel about that. I am a big fan of highlighters. You know I am. But this is... She's thick. I don't like it. I don't think there's anything we can do for that highlighter. It's on now. Once you put it on your face, it's on, okay? To finish up the bottom lash line, I'd like to go in with this blue teal shade called Meadow. I'm just going to place that under my lower lash line. Oh yeah. I'm taking more of Fern. Also on like a slightly larger pencil brush, but it's still very tapered and pointed. I don't want to diffuse this out too much because we're going in with the gemstones. I'm not trying to be like over the top, you know? I think the Meadow shade kind of brought the top and the bottom look together. Very pretty. I love this palette. I love it. I want an inner corner highlighter. So I think I'm going to try Gilded. I haven't actually swatched this one yet. It could be bad, but Gilded on the very inner corner. Oh yeah. Listen, I'm sorry, but this is what I wanted that dang Lush Life palette from ColourPop to be. This is it. I love it. I love it so much. I almost kind of feel like, hold on. Hold on. Kind of similar. I think this could definitely be a dupe the vibes type of palette for that one. They don't have the same shades, but they do have very similar color stories. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the Emerald Gems just straight glitter palette. That's all it is, glitter palette. And I think I have to go in with this very center shade right here. I have to. I think these might best be applied by using a sticky glitter primer and then going straight into the pan like that. Maybe. See that? How it picks up a ton of it? And I'm just going to dab it onto the very center of my eye. I needed this in my life. If you don't like chunky glitter, this is not for you. But if you like to shine like a disco ball in the night, this one's for you. 10 out of 10, 100% love these eyeshadow palettes. Go out and purchase them. They have all of the other gemstones. I'm kind of curious. Let me know down below if you'd like to see me do some looks with the other gemstone palettes. But I love these so much. These are going at the top of my ranking my palettes video that I have coming at the end of the month. This is the top, number one. Number one. Oh my God. Okay. This is the part where it could all go to hell in a handbasket, okay? We're going in with gemstones. We're doing it. Why not? Definitely going to speed through this part because you do not need to see how I place every single individual gemstone. I'm taking like a small gem like this. It's got a green golden shift to it. I think it'd be so pretty with this eye look. So I'm going to lay out about 4 or 5 face down, and I'm going to put eyelash glue on them and let it sit there for about 30 seconds or so. The key to this is making them even on both eyes. All right, eyelash glue. I have the Duo Quick Set, and I'm just going to dab some lash glue on each gemstone. fun. That's super fun. Like that. I don't know how sturdy they're gonna be, but I'm obsessed. I'm going to move on to lips next. I have the Lip Mosa Soft Matte Lip Tint. Is this in a shade? Is that the shade? Lip Mosa? Anyway, it's red. Okay. Okay. It's matte. It's moussey. It looks like a little wine champagne bottle. Easy to apply. Easy to control. I'm not entirely sure this will ever dry down. I feel like it's going to be easily transferable, but it is really pretty. Does it go with the eye look that I am like absolutely living for? No, not really, but the whole point of this video is to try out Profusion Cosmetics, and I am a huge fan. I want to go get all of their eyeshadow palettes. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried Profusion Cosmetics before, and if so, which palettes that you would recommend to me to try out next, because I think I'm obsessed. The quality is superb for the price point. It's amazing. I'm just blown away. These emerald shades performed beautifully. The look is stunning. I feel so fabulous right now. So fabulous. I think I would wear this every day if it didn't take me like 45 minutes to do. I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. With all of that being said, this video has come to an end. Leave your recommendations down below. Let me know what looks you want to see next. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!